Hi, my name is Zoe and I'm 15 years old and I'm from Hong Kong. It was really organized because Madam Rozanova would give us like schedules and stuff, and it was kind of like in a rush because I didn't have much time to prepare, so it was like quite hard for me to just prepare variation in 5 weeks. It's definitely fun hanging out with friends because we haven't been out to the school these years because of COVID, and then in New York we get to like hang out and then go out to Central Park and stuff, so it's like really fun. It's awkward. What do you want me to say? I was definitely nervous before the performance, but I always pray before, so like I like calm myself down. But on stage it's like not that bad because you can't really see anyone from the audience and stuff, so it's just yourself on stage. So it's not as nervous as like behind the stage and stuff. Last year I was in a junior division, so I was like the oldest in that division, so it's like kind of easier for me to get places because I was like older. But this year I was like the youngest in senior because I'm 15 and I'm competing with 20 years old people. So it's kind of like stressful for me because it's harder because we have like a huge gap between each other. So I was really surprised when I get first place because I didn't expect it at all. Because I thought my performance wasn't the best one in rehearsals because I did like quite tiny mistakes. So it's just really surprising for me to get first place. And I'm really happy.
As you should be.
Yes, as I should be. I want to thank my parents and my friends because they always support me, and even though it's like a hard time here with COVID, they still believe in me, and also the teachers, they just work really hard with us, and I really want to thank them for their hard work. Thank you.